हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप सबकी दिवाली बहुत अच्छे से गई होगी, सबने बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय किया होगा अपने घरों पे, किए होंगे अपने घर पे। मेरी हिंदी बहुत ज़्यादा टूटी फूटी सी है, जैसे मेरी इंग्लिश भी प्रॉपर नहीं है, मेरी हिंदी भी प्रॉपर नहीं है। आई एम अ बंगाली गर्ल, मैं थॉरली फ्लुएंटली बंगाली बोल सकती हूँ और मैं जस्ट इंग्लिश और हिंदी बोलने की कोशिश करती हूँ। मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि मेरा इंग्लिश और हिंदी स्पीकिंग थोड़ा सा बेटर हो जाए आपके साथ कम्युनिकेट करते करते। एनीवेज, मैंने बहुत अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट किया है। आई हैव ऑल्सो एंजॉयड दिवाली बाई क्रिएटिंग सम वर्स्ट मेकअप. आई हैव क्लिक्ड some pictures also, but I'm not going to share with you all. I have deleted the pictures, I have deleted that footage because I did a worst job in my life ever. Anyways, आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ how I achieved this look. But before that, if you are new in my channel, then please take a moment and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button, and that gonna mean a world to me. And now, without any further delay, let's jump into the tutorial. I have done with my eyebrow and base makeup off camera. Now I'm going to start my eye makeup, and for eye primer today I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. And I'm blending it with my Real Technique Beauty Blender. I'm going to use this Spotlight eyeshadow palette for today's look. And now I'm going to take this shade from this palette. This is a brown shade, and I'm going to place that color on my crease area. I'm taking this color now, and this color is like, what to say, like, I don't know how to explain this color. I hope you can understand this shade. So I'm taking this color from here and I'm going to use that on my crease area. Most of the biscuits come in this color, so this I can call this is a biscuit color. Now I'm again going to take this shade and I'm going to stamp that here. Now I'm going to use this beautiful blue sparkly shade and going to place that in my inner lid, in my middle lid, and I'm blending it with that brown shade. Now I will use this black, going to darken up my outer third. Again I'm taking that previous brush and I'm blending that dark shade with my transition and crease color. Now I'm taking this pencil brush and I'm going to grab this green shade and I'm going to use that on my inner part. I want to intensify the black shade, so I have taken some more black and I'm applying it. I'm not happy with this blue shade, so I'm going to use this blue color from this Juvia's Masquerade Large palette and I'm going to press that on top of it. And I'm also not so happy with that green shade, so I'm going to switch to this yellow shade from here because I really want a very vibrant look. Now I'm going to add some glitters, and for glitter I'm going to use this Delancey Pressed Glitter palette, and I'm taking this glitter from this palette, and this is a multi color glitter. It has green, golden, pink, blue. This is a mixture of glitter, so I'm going to use that on all over my lid. Now it's time for my lower lash line, and I'm going to use that Spotlight palette again, and I'm going to use this brown shade on, and for inner corner I'm going to use that yellow shimmery shade. To highlight the high points of my eyebrow, I'm going to use this shade called Giza from Juvia's palette. So this eye look is done. Now quickly I'm going to complete my this eye and gonna finish up my rest makeup, and I'll be right back. So here is the final look completed. As you can see, this look is very glittery and sparkly. I think I need to take a break from sparkles and glitters. And let me know guys, do you like this look or not in the comment section. And I'm also on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to follow me there, I'm gonna share the links on my description box below. And here I'm sharing some of my previous walks. You would like to watch this also. And now I'm going to end this video here and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.